Guys, welcome back. This is Thisistinuola. Today's look is a simple everyday makeup look, but first I've prepped my face and now I'm going in with my primer from Mary Kay. As usual, I'll be applying the primer all over my face, lips, everywhere. The next is using a color corrector, and I'm applying this on the darker areas on my face, and I'll be blending that in. If you like to use a concealer instead of a color corrector, that's fine. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button below and hit that notification bell beside it. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Thanks for coming back again. I'm going in with my medium to full coverage foundation from Maybelline. I'm going to use just this much. We are trying to, get a minimal makeup look, so we're using minimal products. The next is to apply just a little amount of translucent powder all over my face. We are not setting our face, guys. This is a quick 10 minutes makeup. Alright guys, we are doing our brows and I'm using this got2b glue. Yes, if you like to see a detailed tutorial for this brow method, I'm going to link the video in the description box below. I'm doing the I am Dodo's brow technique. You can also use got2b spray instead of the glue like I did in my previous videos. You guys can check that out. I'm going to link it above right there. I'm going to fill in my brows with this $1 pencil and I'm loving this look so far. Using this palette from Mary Kay, I'm starting off with the bronzer. All products are going to be linked below. We won't be doing a full contouring, guys, so I'm just adding in some colors and shape. Applying my blush and then highlighter. These colors that I'm using are subtle colors and they go excellently well on dark skin. So you want to blend all that in. Next is to go with this sheer lipstick from Elite Cosmetics. I am using the Perk shade. Guys, this lipstick is the bomb. Vegan, super moisturizing, made with all natural ingredients like shea butter. You guys know I love shea butter. This lipstick collection was just launched this summer and you can use my code for 15% off. Yes, I love how this feels and looks on my lips. The lipstick also comes in different shades like this and this. I hope you guys are loving this look so far. Now it's time to apply our mascara. I'm going in with this Ultimate Mascara from Mary Kay. Finally, I'm using this facial spray to finish up my look. Let me know what you guys think about this look in the comment box below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that notification bell, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video or in my other videos. Check them out. Bye.